Hello, Cloud Nerds. In this video, you will learn how to use Amazon Transcribe service to generate subtitles for videos. Before recording this demo, I created a video tutorial of Amazon Poly service and uploaded it into my S3 bucket. We will generate captions for the same. Let's get started. Open Amazon Transcribe Service console. Click Transcription Jobs. Next, click Create Job. Let's fill this form. For name, specify Generate Captions for Video. This recording was made in American English, which is why we will leave language as it is. Scroll down. Note different file formats supported. For S3 URA, let me specify S3 location of the video file. Let's choose SRT as the subtitle file format. Click Next. Notice all the advanced configurations made available by Transcribe, such as speaker identification, PHI, toxicity identification, PI redaction, vocabulary filtering, etc. Since we don't need any of them, let's go ahead and create the job. Next, click Create Job. Looks like the job is finished. The status of the job has changed to complete. Let's open the job. Under Transcription Preview, choose Subtitles. Note that Amazon Transcribe was able to generate captions from the video file provided. Choose Download, and then choose SRT format to download the subtitles file generated for the entire video. Here is a screenshot of the subtitles file I just downloaded. Congratulations! You just learned how to generate subtitles for a video using Amazon Transcribe. Thanks for watching. Check out AWS certification books, linked in pinned comment, and suggest us topics for videos.